Привет! Сегодня мы изучаем настоящие утвердительные предложения в английском языке. Present Simple. Это одно из самых важных и простых времен. Мы используем его, чтобы говорить о повседневных действиях, привычках и фактах. В этом уроке ты услышишь 40 простых предложений. Каждое 3 раза. Просто слушай, повторяй вслух и запоминай. Все фразы в настоящем времени без «до» или «das». Просто утверждение. В конце урока мы повторим все слова, которые были использованы. Готов? Поехали!
I work every day.
I work every day.
I work every day.
You like pizza.
You like pizza.
You like pizza.
He plays football.
He plays football.
He plays football.
She studies English.
She studies English.
She studies English.
We go to school.
We go to school.
We go to school. They watch TV.
They watch TV.
They watch TV.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I eat breakfast at 8.
You read books.
You read books.
You read books.
He drives to work.
He drives to work.
He drives to work.
She drinks coffee.
She drinks coffee.
She drinks coffee.
We cook dinner.
We cook dinner.
We cook dinner.
They listen to music.
They listen to music.
They listen to music.
I sleep well.
I sleep well.
I sleep well.
You clean your room.
You clean your room.
You clean your room.
He runs in the park.
He runs in the park.
He runs in the park.
She sings beautifully.
She sings beautifully.
She sings beautifully.
We live in a big city.
We live in a big city.
We live in a big city.
They play games.
They play games.
They play games.
I love my job.
I love my job.
I love my job.
You open the window.
You open the window.
You open the window.
He closes the door.
He closes the door.
He closes the door.
She writes emails.
She writes emails.
She writes emails. We talk a lot.
We talk a lot.
We talk a lot.
They swim in the pool.
They swim in the pool.
They swim in the pool.
I watch YouTube.
I watch YouTube.
I watch YouTube.
You work hard.
You work hard.
You work hard.
He eats vegetables.
He eats vegetables.
He eats vegetables.
She reads the newspaper.
She reads the newspaper.
She reads the newspaper.
We travel together.
We travel together.
We travel together. They speak English.
They speak English.
They speak English.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. You drive fast.
You drive fast.
You drive fast.
He plays the guitar.
He plays the guitar.
He plays the guitar.
She cooks very well.
She cooks very well.
She cooks very well.
We visit our friends.
We visit our friends.
We visit our friends.
They go shopping.
They go shopping.
They go shopping.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
You wake up early.
You wake up early.
You wake up early.
He walks to the office.
He walks to the office.
He walks to the office.
She calls her mom.
She calls her mum.
She calls her mom.
Отлично. Теперь давай повторим ключевые слова из этого урока. Повторяй за мной вслух, чтобы лучше запомнить. Поехали. They work like play study go watch eat read drive drink cook sleep clean run
Sing. Live. Love. Open. Close. Write. Talk. Swim. travel, speak,
brush, visit, walk, wake, call, every, day, school, breakfast, books, dinner, room, park, beautifully, city, games, job, window, door, pool, vegetables, newspaper, together,
hard, teeth, fast, guitar. Well, friends, shopping, tea, early, office, mom,
Отличная работа. Повторяй урок столько раз, сколько нужно, и скоро ты начнешь говорить по-английски уверенно. Увидимся в следующем уроке.